How to change candle color on TradingView? Are you guys facing issues to change the color of candle on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on TradingView, make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. To change the candle color on TradingView, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the setting icon. Click on it. Now click on symbol. Once you click on symbol, to change the color of the candle, just go over this option. If you want to change candle's body, then just simply tap on it. Now choose the color according to your preference. If you want to change it to white, click on white. If you want to change the candle border, just repeat the same process. Same goes for wick. To save the changes, now click on OK. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna change the color of candle on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.